Hey folks, I've got this Neutralyze Acne Treatment Kit here. They sent this out for people to try. They sent it to me for free in return for me to do this review video. And I've had acne since I was a teenager. I'll be 60 here in a couple months. And I told them, I said, if you think this will work on a 60-year-old guy that's had acne forever, go ahead and send it and we'll try it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not going to show me washing my face and putting this stuff on every day for weeks on end. But what I wanted to be able to do is show if it works. So in order to do that, I'm going to take a video so that I can do side-by-side comparisons to the pimples and stuff that are on my nose now versus in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or whatever. So if you're grossed out by pimply stuff, find another video of mine to watch. I have thousands of jokes that you can go see, or other cooking videos or whatever, but don't watch this one because this one's getting ready to get icky. Alright, so this is my nose. I'm going to squeeze it and we'll see how much stuff comes out, and then we'll use this product, this Neutralyze stuff, for a couple weeks, and then we'll do it again and I can do a side-by-side comparison with some still shots to see if there's any real difference. So normally I kind of do this every morning before I wash my face, just to get rid of some of the gunk and stuff that builds up. We don't need the blood in there, but you can see that we have a fair amount of stuff that comes out of my nose every day. Alright, so we're going to use this as my before treatment picture, and then we'll use this product and come back and take another picture later. Alright, so the way this stuff works, it comes with this little pamphlet here, and it kind of explains what I need to do in these 3 easy steps. So essentially what I need to do is I need to wash my face with this step 1 cleansing stuff, and then there's this clearing serum that I'm going to put on, and then after that there's a synergizer. So it says I can put this stuff on, this clearing serum, I can put this stuff on 1 to 3 times a day. So my schedule is going to work out. I can do this in the morning and the evening pretty easy. So I'm going to use this stuff here to wash my face in the morning, put on this clearing serum, and I don't rinse this off. You leave it on. You smear it on and you leave it on. And then apparently once I've got the clearing serum on, I can put this healing agent stuff on over the top of it, and again, it doesn't look like I rinse this stuff off. So I'll do that in the morning and afternoon, and we'll do this for a couple weeks and come back and see how my nose looks. Alright, so I did want to give you an idea how much of this stuff I'm using. This is the Neutralyze face wash, and this stuff is really soapy. And so that much is all I've been using to do my whole face, because again, it's like thick liquid soap. A little bit goes a really long ways. Then I just rub it in. And this is really thick, soapy. I put it all over my face, and then I usually let it set for a few minutes before I rinse it off. Alright, so I've rinsed the wash off of my face, and they want you to wait until your face is thoroughly dry. Usually I just go watch a couple of my dad jokes on YouTube, watch a couple of those, and before you know it, 4 or 5 minutes has gone by, and it's time to apply step 2. Alright, for step 2, we got this Neutralyze clearing serum, and it's got this little tab in there, I guess, to help keep it from drying out in between uses. But for this stuff, again, just a little dab is all I need for my whole face. So I put that on there, and then I massage that in. Alright, now I let this dry for another 5 minutes. Maybe go eat some breakfast, maybe watch another joke video, whatever. check your Facebook, and then apply the step 3, which is the Synergizer. So we've let this clearing serum dry on my face for about the last 5 minutes or so. I just went and ate a bowl of cereal, and that's enough time to let it dry. And so we're going to use this Synergizer, and again, that's about all I need is one little drop there, and smear that, work that into my face, and then that's it until I do my second treatment in the evening. Alright, there we go, and we're done to the next treatment. So this Synergizer here, this says that this reduces redness and irritation and visibly improves complexion. And you can go back and look at my videos for the last couple of years. I've always had issues with the complexion, so I'm interested to see if this will actually work. All right, the other thing I want to point out is that after I apply this clearing serum, I need to let this dry for 3 to 5 minutes before I apply the Synergizer. So that way that gives this time to work and soak into the skin, I guess. Because the serum is supposed to dry out my skin, and this Synergizer is supposed to help repair it, I guess, and keep it from getting too dry. Alright, so I do have one complaint about this stuff already. I know most people with acne are like 14, 15 years old, maybe younger, whatever, and they all have like 20/10 vision. I don't have that. I'm 60 and I can't read this crap. So I'm going to take a Sharpie, and I am going to mark on here that, and it doesn't even want to mark on here very well, that this is step 1 and that this is step 2 and that this is step 3, because otherwise in the morning without my glasses I'm not going to be able to tell what's what. So I'm going to mark these so I can see them right on the tops. That way I'll know. This one's hard to confuse. I can't write on this one very well, but it's hard to confuse. Actually, I can write on the cap, okay, but right, but writing on the side, yeah, it doesn't work out too good. At any rate, I can tell that this one's first. Alright folks, I've been using this Neutralyze Acne treatment for a week, and so time to do another push test. Alright, looks like it might be a little bit better. We'll do a side-by-side comparison and check it out and see. Alright, so it is Sunday morning, the end of week 2 of using the Neutralyze Acne Kit. And so time to do our second push test on my nose and see what we get. Alright, we'll do our side-by-side comparison and see if it's any better than week 0. Looks like it is. Alright, so as you can see, it looks like my acne has improved a lot just based off of how much stuff I get coming out my nose when I squeeze it. So I would say overall this test has been a success. It has not eliminated my acne. I've only used it for 2 weeks. It says, I think on the package it says it starts working in as little as 2 weeks. So, so overall I would say that this will improve your acne condition. May not eliminate it, but certainly will improve it. You be the judge. Look at the side-by-side comparisons and you tell me. Comment below on if you tried it and if it worked for you. I'd be interested to know.